I'm Anil Kumar. Welcome to my series on probability. Here is another very interesting question from previous test paper. The top shelf in a cupboard contains 3 cans of tomato soup and 2 cans of chicken soup. The bottom shelf contains 2 cans of tomato soup and 1 can of chicken soup. Kate is twice likely to take can from the bottom shelf as she is from the top shelf. Suppose Kate takes 1 can of soup without looking at the label. Determine the probability that it is a chicken soup. You are given 4 options. You can pause the video, answer the question, and then look into my suggestions. Now let's try to analyze the situation. We have 2 shelves. So one is, we'll call it as top and bottom shelves. Okay, so this is the top shelf, this is the bottom shelf. In the top shelf, we have 3 cans of tomato soup and 3 cans of tomato soup. So this is 3 cans of tomato. And 2 cans of chicken. In the bottom, we have 4 cans of tomato, right? And we have 1 can of chicken. So that is the distribution of tomato and let's call this like chicken soups. Okay. Now we are also given that the probability of Kate reaching the top and the bottom is like 1:2 ratio. So we could draw a tree diagram. So let us say first we have to select the shelf. So out of 3 trials, 1 for top and 2 for bottom. Say this probability of getting the top, let's say T, is 1 out of 3 and 2 out of 3 is to get the bottom shelf. So this thing is the option for the shelf. Now once the shelf has been selected, then she could pick either tomato or chicken, right? So those are the 2. Probability for chicken is 2 out of 5 from the top shelf, right? So 2 out of 5 for the chicken and 3 out of 5 for tomato. From the bottom shelf, the probability for chicken is 1 out of 5 and for the tomato it is 4 out of 5. Now we need to find the probability that she picks up chicken soup. So basically, we are looking for these 2 options. Correct? So we get the probability as equal to sum of these 2. So that gives you 1 over 3 times 2 over 5 plus 2 over 3 times 1 over 5. Correct? So we have 15 as common denominator, 2 plus 2, and that gives you 4 out of 15, correct? So option C is the right option. That is how you can actually find the solution of this question. I hope it is absolutely clear. Feel free to write your comments and share your views. If you like and subscribe to my videos, that'd be great. Thanks for watching and all the best.